Today we're going to do lesson 14, first grade, and let's go. The first page says or the directions are, if you change the order of the addends, the sum is still the same. Okay, so we see in the bubble, we see 5 plus 4 on the top right, and then we see 4 plus 5 on the bottom, but they both equal the same number, that is 9. So because we see this, we know that the order does not matter when we do addition. So even if we do 5 plus 4, because we're still adding the same numbers, we're going to get the same answer, which is 9. So let's try it out for number 1. It says 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, we know that is 11. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and then plus 1 is 11. And from this, we can do number 2. 6 plus 5, sorry, is going to be the same number, 11, because this number is the same, and this number, they're the same. So the answer does not change. Let's go to number 3. So 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is going to give us 14. If we do the math. And then because this number is the same, and this number is the same, we know that 8 plus 6 is going to equal 14. So order of the numbers in addition does not matter. Okay, let's hop over to 9. It says 8 plus 5. We know 8 plus 5 is 13, yes? And then because of the add-in rule, 5 plus 8 is going to be 13 as well. The order does not matter. Number 11, 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is going to be 13. Because 9, count out for 4, is 13. And then if we do 9 plus 4, same number, 13. Okay. Let's do 4 more. Okay. Number 17. Number 17 says 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. Then 18 says 7 plus 6. Order does not matter, so 7 plus 6 is going to equal 13 as well. Number 19, 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. Order doesn't matter, so 9 plus 5, also 14. Okay, let's hop over to the next page. It's going to be subtraction facts 13 and 14. So if we do subtraction, we first need to get the total number first. So it says there are 14 fish over here. That's 14 fish total. This whole box is 14 fish. But then it shows 5 of them swimming away right here. So like we'll split it. So there's 5 here that are swimming away. And so if we do total minus the number of fish that run or swim away, we end up with 9 fish remaining. So 14 on the bottom, 14 minus 5, which are these fish over here, is 9, the leftover fish. Okay, let's do number 1. Let's count the total number first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We get 14, and then how many fish are swimming away? So we'll split it, and then we'll count how many are swimming away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 14 minus 8. we know from 6 plus 8, that's 14, right? So 14 minus 8 is going to give us 6. Do the same thing. Okay, so 14 minus 8 is 6. Let's do number 3. Let's count total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 fish again. Split it down the middle. And we'll count how many run away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fish swim away. Okay. And now we need to do 14 minus 7. If we do that, then what do we end up with? We end up with 7, because 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 minus 7 is also going to be 7. Okay, number 5. Total again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fish. 13 fish in total. And count how many run away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we are left with 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, we know that 7 plus 6 is 13. So 13 minus 7 is going to be 6. All right. Let's go to the next page. All right. We have word problems. Addition and subtraction word problems. Read and solve the word problems. Let's do number 1. Michelle collects comic books. She has 33 new ones and 47 old ones. How many more old comic books does she have? Okay. So we are finding how many comic books that are old. If that makes sense. So if we need to find how many more old comic books she has, we need to do total the old books minus the new books, 33. Because we want to find how many more old ones there are. So 47 minus 33. We'll split it. That's different color. So we first need to do ones place. So 7, let's only look at the 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Easy. And now we look at the tens place. That's 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. And our answer is 14. 14 comic books. Number 3. Mia collects stuffed animals. She had 33 animals in her collection. Her aunt sent her 2 more animals. How many stuffed animals does she have all together? All together is a key word that shows us addition. Yes. And so 33 is what she already had in her collection. And if her aunt gave her 2 more, so we need to add 2. And we do addition. 33 plus 2 is, we'll count the ones place. 3 plus 2 is 5. And bring down the 3, so 35. Okay. We'll move on to the next page, the final page. We need to find the piggy bank. So we're doing equations with money. And each of the coins over here have different money values. So this penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. Dime, 10 cents. And a quarter, 25. So let's do number let's go over number 1 first. Manuel has 2 dimes and 4 nickels. So we need to find how much cents Manuel has. So if we have 2 dimes, 2 dimes plus 4 nickels. I'll just put N for nickels. And if 1 dime is 10 cents, 2 dimes is going to be 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10, 20, plus 4 nickels. 4 nickels, we need to add 5 4 times. Get the total money. And so 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And another 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 10 is 20. So 20 plus 20 is 40. Let's do number 3. Alan had 2 dimes and 3 nickels. His father gave him 2 more nickels. Now Alan has. Okay, so 2 dimes. 2 dimes. I'll put B for dimes. Plus 3 nickels. And for nickels. Plus 2 more nickels. Another N. And so now we need to find the value, this amount of money each coin has. So if Alan has 2 dimes, 2 dimes is 20 cents. Plus, if we have 3 nickels that are worth 5 cents each, we just need to do 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. And then 5 plus 5, because he gets 2 more nickels. So 5 plus 5. We know this is 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. Yes. So 20 plus 25 is 45. Number 3, 45 cents. All right, last one. Anna has 2 quarters and 3 nickels. She spent 35 cents. Anna has how many cents left? So 2 quarters. I'll put key for quarters. And 3 nickels and 4 nickels. And let's first find out how many she has before she uses 35 cents. So if a quarter is 25 cents each, 2 of them is 25 plus 25 is 50, plus, from the previous one, 3 nickels is 15 cents. So 50 plus 15, 65, yes. Because so 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So combine the two numbers, 65. And now Anna spends 35 cents. So we do subtraction. 65 minus 35. We'll set it up into like a vertical one, the ones that goes on top of each other, like that. So now it's easier for us to see. We need to split into the ones. This place, remember? Always start with the ones place. And now we do 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. And now we do tens place. 6 minus 3 is 30. So Anna has 30 cents left. If we look here, our answer choice is right here. 30. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.